Hey everybody, Derek Munson here, and this is my final presentation for COMM 497R Spring Semester 2019 at BYU, Idaho. We're going to take a look at my website, which is imakestuffonline.com. Here you get a little introduction about me, you get a little shot of my mug there, and then kind of an idea of what I can do for you. Graphics, websites, animations, illustrations, music, voiceovers, you name it. Below that I've got a smattering of my work from over the past 15 or 20 years that I've done, both for the current company that I work for as well as freelance work. And so you'll see a few of these things here. If you click on any one of them, it'll take you to a page that specifically shows a few shots of work for that project. So for example, this Food for Health was a branding project that I did for a friend of mine as a freelance thing, kind of on the side for funsies. And so I show, here's the logo, here's a couple of applications of it, and then here's the description of the project itself, when it was completed, and what technologies I used to make that happen. At the bottom of the homepage, we've got kind of a quick pitch here. I want people to know that I'm available and ready to work with them, and have got the experience that they probably need on their team. We're going to go to the About page, which again has another shot of me. This shot resides in way too many places on this website, but it's the only good headshot I feel like I have right now. So, and I tell you my story here. I talk about when I, kind of accidentally fell into this job at the age of 22, but then looking back, that I'd kind of been training myself for this job for most of my young adulthood, and I didn't even realize it. So, anyway, kind of a fun story. If you got a second to go check that out. The next pages I have are print projects and web projects, and all I did was kind of categorize these different posts here as either web or print or both. So if you look on the print page, you'll see, the first one is the same. It's this Curtis McGarry campaign. I also did a website for that campaign, so I have included it here, and you can see the website if you click in. If we go to the shop, I decided what I was going to sell are prints. Since I had a couple of posters in my print side of things, I thought, well, maybe I'll just do that. I'll sell prints, just like Brother Libbard did on his example. So I did the same thing that he did. I priced them accordingly based on different sizes. And these are all legitimate poster size prints. I could do these if somebody wanted to buy them right now, because we have a large format printer at my place of employment right now. And then I did a contact page. So I gave a brief invitation for people to get in touch with me and let me know how I can be of assistance to them. I gave them my email and my cell phone number, and then I gave them contact form. And of course, I want them to be smart enough to do math in order to contact me. So that's there. I don't know why. I think that gets automatically added by the Divi theme. But anyway, that's a look at my website, imakestuf.com. I hope you enjoyed it, and I just want to say I've enjoyed working with everybody this semester, and I wish you all the best of luck in your future endeavors. Take care.